We're coming at you strong here, 1987 Donruss. Really looking for the McGuire rookie, Greg Maddux rookie. Barry Bonds is not too bad in here. And I think that's about it, actually. Let's see what we can do. Tim Laudner, Steve Bedrosian, Dennis Oil Can Boyd, Tim Flannery, Rich Gedman, Spike Owen, Dennis Powell, Wade Biggity Boggs, Hall of Famer, slightly off-centered, unfortunately. Shawan Dunston from Brooklyn. Jackie Gutierrez, never heard of him. Ed Wajna? Kurt Ford, Brooke Jacoby, Jim Deshaies, Kirk Gibson, the lawnmower pole. Back to Tim Laudner. Dang, a bit of a dud ball.